Difference between Os.Getenv and Os.Environ.Get. Is there any difference at all between both approaches? They seem to have the exact same functionality.
See this related thread. Basically, Os.Environ is found on import, and Os.Getenv is a wrapper to Os.Environ.Get, at least in Python. Edit. To respond to a comment, in Python, Os.Getenv is basically a shortcut to Os.Environ.Get, since Os.Environ is loaded at import of Os, and only then, the same holds for Os.Getenv.
One difference, observed in Python 2.7 and 3.8, between Getenv and Environ. Os.Getenv does not raise an exception but returns none. Os.Environ.Get similarly returns none. Os.Environ raises an exception if the environmental variable does not exist.
In Python 2.7 with Ipython. So we can conclude Os.Getenv is just a simple wrapper around Os.Environ.Get.
In addition to the answers above. Edit, meaning no difference.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.